it's Willy Wonka here. I'm just letting you know that I have one last golden ticket. And if this gets won by one of you, then you get to come to my chocolate factory for one day only.
I've just found the Willy Wonka's golden ticket. I am so happy. I am now going to have a tour of his factory. I am so excited.
Now, is everyone ready to go on the tour now?
Very ready.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go! This is the first room here, and this is where the magic happens. It's one of the other rooms where they cook all the stuff.
Mr. Wonka, can we go in there?
No, it's not.
I want to go in there though. I like going.
No.
I'm going in already.
No!
Who even cares about Mr. Stinky Wonka? It's just a little bossy boot.
My chocolate is the best chocolate you'll ever have.
It isn't meant to be vitamins and chocolate, Mr. Wonka. You do know that.
I can't believe you. I've had to put up with you all day.
Whatever.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed your stay here. Now, the things you said to me, absolutely horrible. And just to let you know, my chocolate's the best.
Mr. Wonka, please! Mr. Wonka, please! That man just thinks he's so very cool. He built like Wonka's Golden Ticket Chocolate Factory. So what? Who cares about him?
Honestly, what was that all about? Literally, to make me run up the stairs.
Maybe I don't like you. Maybe that's a problem. Your people will find out who you really are.
What is she like? Now, with Veruca salt, we are going to go into the glass elevator. Let's go.
Oh, look at that.
Inside. So, have you enjoyed your stay?
No, you don't say that.
Mr. Wonka! Ah! You know it. So those who work here is for your chocolate factory. I'm not going to get a chocolate cake. You can't do that.
I'm not.
Mrs. Stewart, I'm trying to do your golden
Stop.
How's my hat look?
Sorry. Go on, go on. Oh, it's recording. Just delete that one.
What do you think you're doing?
You've got the nerve to criticise me when people will know who.
Now, with just Veruca salt here today,
I
I know